Okay, that's about it. Okay, today is May 24, year 2025. Hindi ko pinaalam na nag-video ako pero na-video ko. Actually, mamaya magpanik pa eh.
Oh, Diyos. Ay, na-crash na naman eh.
Kaya hindi ko na pinaalam sa iyo pero na-record ko yung last part. Okay, okay. Kaya basta pag lumipad si si Dane, wag mo paalam na binibideo, mako-conscious eh.
Siyempre, papagandahin mo yung moves mo, yun pala, hindi mo kayang pagandahin.
Kaya mas maganda, walang alam. Okay, dami namin dito. Okay. Yan. Jeffrey, nakagasser. Yan. Ito, si Joey, oh. Joey, nag-crash, sayang. Luckily, walang nobody hurt. Okay. Sino pa?
Lagyan natin ng...
Okay lang, hindi mo matatanggal.
Ganun ang pump mo ah. Ganun ang pump mo ah. Okay. Ako, daming ni Marcel.
Subscribe kayo kay Elion.
Okay, okay. So anyway, I was able to take a video of Dane flying his heli during the last part. Okay. Hindi ko na pinaalam na nagbi-video ako. Baka maano pa eh.
Oh, nanako. Okay.
Ma-distract. Tama. Okay guys, that's about it. Thank you.